Hello, in this video I will show you how to make your homemade body scrub and also how I exfoliate, so stick around. Hi girls, and welcome to my channel. If you are struggling with strawberry skin, chicken skin, things like that, don't click away because this video will help you. If you are new here, my name is Cynthia, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Today I'm using the mango and kiwi sea salt body scrub. You may wonder why exfoliate. Guys, exfoliating can help one prevent clogged pores. It also results in fewer breaks out, and in the long term, exfoliating frequently improves collagen, which is the key to a glowing skin. For a better result, you will need to use an exfoliating cloth. These are inexpensive. These are £1 for a pair. My target area is my lower thighs, and I will show you how I use this product. So my target area is more of this one to get that summer glow. So I'll just show you how this is done. You will have to put on your exfoliating cloth on and basically wet it with water before you use it. It's better to have a shower first before applying this, but for the purpose of this video I won't be having a shower, but it's best to have a shower, have a wash, and then you exfoliate. That's how I exfoliate, and that has worked for me. And what you will need to do, you take basically a handful of this in your cloth like so. If using a product that is quite oily, just one thing to take note is that this, after having a shower or a bath, you must wash the bathroom very well because these are slippery in the bathroom if not washed properly. Like I mentioned, it is super oily. So right, put it on there and then rub on the legs. Right, so just go this way and you go in a circular motion, and I'm going to repeat the same for the other legs. And then when I'm done, basically just rinse out with water. Fragrance wise, this smells very, very nice. I don't know if you can see it, right? Because this helps open the pores. And you know what, I probably will do a voiceover here. Rinse it off. And then you pat dry with a clean towel. And you go in with any moisturizer of your choice. Basically have a good rub in there. You might want to ask, how frequently should I exfoliate? Weekly? Well, based on my own research, most skin experts recommend that we exfoliate at least 2 times a week. It helps our moisturizer works better. It gives the skin that instant glow. It is also anti-aging and much more. I sometimes struggle with strawberry skin. They mainly occur when I'm super busy with other activities such as work, raising the kids, things like that. And you know, if you're a busy mom, we sometimes forget to exfoliate, you know. We just have our shower and we're on to something else. It could be homework, it could be cooking, or other activities for our children. One thing I have noticed, to reduce strawberry skin, it is best that you exfoliate regularly. You don't have to buy this particular product. You can use any product of your choice. You know, I use various products because I like trying new things. You know, this one is the Dead Sea Salt Body Scrub, and this one, which I have used more in the past, is the Coconut Milk Exfoliating Body Polish. These work wonders, and also these work wonders. Both of these products, they help manage my strawberry skin in about 2 weeks, and that is it, you know. But like I mentioned, I don't always exfoliate due to my busy lifestyle, you know. Also, there are inexpensive ways of making homemade exfoliating scrub. What you will need is basically plain sugar and water. In this brief tutorial, I will show you how I sometimes make my homemade exfoliating scrubs by using just sugar and water. Make a thick paste similar to this and gently rub to your skin in a circular motion, and then after that you can basically shower and then apply a moisturizer of your choice, and guys, you will see that your skin also feel soft with basically just using sugar and water. So these are some of my tips on how I make my homemade exfoliating scrub. If you do like this content or similar content with regards to skincare, let me know in the comment section and I will make more videos regarding this. Until next time, keep striving and bye guys.